Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Simple English Time. I am Julia.
And I am Jack. Hello.
We are so happy you are here today. Really, so happy.
Yes, every time we see new viewers, it makes us smile. Big smile.
Today is a very, very special topic. I love this topic so much.
Me too. Today we are talking about how to meet new people in English.
Yes, how to meet new people. This is so important.
If you are learning English, this is one of the most useful things you can learn.
And we will make it easy. Simple words, short sentences, no stress.
No stress at all. Just fun. Just practice.
But first, friends, please click the like button right now. Just one click.
Yes, and please subscribe to our channel. It is free. It helps us so much.
If you have a friend who is learning English too, share this video with them.
Learning together is always better, always more fun.
Okay, Jack, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
So, Jack, let's start. Why is it hard to meet new people in English?
Good question, Julia. I think many people feel nervous.
Yes, nervous. That means a little scared, a little worried.
They think, what do I say? What if I make a mistake?
Exactly. I hear this a lot. People say, Julia, I want to talk, but I don't know how to start.
I understand that feeling. When I was young, I was very shy too.
Shy means you don't talk much. You stay quiet.
But here is the good news. Meeting people is a skill, and a skill you can learn.
Yes, you can practice. You can get better. Just like riding a bike.
Exactly. And today, we will teach you step by step.
Step by step. Nice and easy.
Everyone at home, are you ready to learn? Write yes in the comments right now.
We want to see your yes. Go write it. Okay, Jack. Step 1. The most important word in English.
Ooh, what is it?
It is hello.
Hello. So simple, so powerful.
That's right. Every friendship starts with hello. Every conversation starts with hello.
It is like opening a door. You say hello and the door opens.
I love that. Hello opens the door. Beautiful.
Now, everyone at home, let's practice. Repeat after me. Say hello.
Say it loud. Hello.
Good. Now say hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you? Say it with us. Hello, how are you?
Perfect. That is already a great start.
Now, when someone says, hello, how are you? What do you say back?
You say, I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine, thank you. And you? Repeat after me. I am fine, thank you. And you?
Say it again. I am fine, thank you. And you?
This is called a greeting. A greeting is how you say hello to someone.
We use greetings every day, every single day.
So this is very, very important to practice. Okay, Jack. Now let's talk about where. Where can you meet new people?
Oh, so many places. Let me think.
Yes, tell us.
You can meet people at a park, at a coffee shop, at school, at a party.
Also at the gym, at the library, at the supermarket.
The supermarket. I love that. You can make a new friend while buying apples.
Yes. Hello, are those apples good? And you have a new friend.
Everywhere is a chance. Every place is an opportunity.
That is a beautiful way to think about it. Everywhere is a chance.
So everyone at home, think right now. Where do you go every day?
The park, the coffee shop, the gym.
Write in the comments, where's your favorite place to go?
We want to know. Write it now while we keep talking.
This is the part many people find hard, but it is not so difficult, I promise.
The secret is start with something small, something easy.
Yes, you don't need a big story. You don't need perfect English.
You just need one small sentence, one small comment.
For example, imagine you are at a park. You see someone with a dog.
For example, imagine you are at a park. You see someone with a dog.
You can say, oh, what a cute dog.
What a cute dog. Repeat after me. What a cute dog.
Say it with us. What a cute dog.
That is it. That is your first sentence. So simple.
And then the person will probably smile and say, thank you.
And now the door is open. Now you can ask a question.
Yes, ask, what is the dog's name?
What is the dog's name? Everyone say it. What is the dog's name?
People love their dogs. They love talking about their pets. This is a great question.
The person will say the name. Maybe his name is Biscuit.
Biscuit. What a great name for a dog.
And now you say, Biscuit. That is a wonderful name.
And now you are talking. You are having a real conversation.
See, it started with 4 words. What a cute dog.
4 words. That is all you need.
Now, Jack, let's talk about how to say your name, how to introduce yourself.
Oh yes, this is very important, very basic, very useful.
The most important phrase is, my name is.
My name is Jack. Simple, clear, perfect.
Everyone at home, repeat after me. My name is.
Say your name. My name is, and say your name out loud.
Practice it right now. My name is.
Good. Now, another way to say this is, I'm Jack. I'm is short for I am.
I'm Giulia. I'm Jack. Both are correct. Both are friendly.
After you say your name, the other person will say their name too.
And then, this is very important, you say, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Say it with us. Nice to meet you.
Or you can say, it's nice to meet you. Same meaning.
It's very polite, very friendly. People love to hear this.
So let's put it all together. Ready?
Ready.
You say, hello, my name is Giulia. Nice to meet you.
Hello, my name is Jack. Nice to meet you.
Everyone at home, now you try. Say, hello, my name is. Nice to meet you.
Say it out loud. Don't be shy. Say it.
We believe in you. Say it. Okay, wonderful. Now you said hello. You said your name. What comes next?
Now comes the conversation. Now you need something to talk about.
This is where people get stuck. They say, but Giulia, what do I say?
Don't worry. Here are some easy topics, easy things to talk about.
Number 1, the weather.
The weather. So classic, so easy.
You can say, it's a beautiful day today, isn't it?
It's a beautiful day today, isn't it? Repeat after me. It's a beautiful day.
Or if it's raining, oh, the weather is not so nice today.
Simple, easy. Everyone talks about the weather.
Number 2, ask about the place, where you are right now.
For example, at a party, you can ask, how do you know the host?
The host is the person who makes the party, who invites everyone.
How do you know the host? This is a great question at a party.
And everyone at the party has the same answer. They know the host. Common ground.
Common ground means something the same, something you both share.
Common ground is very useful. It makes people feel comfortable.
Number 3, ask about their life. Use these simple questions.
Do you live near here? Simple, easy.
Are you a student? Good for young people.
What do you do? This means, what is your job?
What do you do? Repeat after me. What do you do?
It's a very common question in English. You will hear this a lot.
And if someone asks you, what do you do? What do you say?
You say, I am a student, or I am a teacher, or I work in a shop.
Simple sentences. Subject, verb, job. That's it.
Now, Jack, I want to talk about something very important. Very, very important.
What is it?
Listening.
Oh yes, listening is so important when you meet someone new.
If you listen, you will always find something to say next.
That's true. For example, the person says, I am a teacher.
Now you listen. You hear teacher, and you ask, oh really? What do you teach?
What do you teach? That is a follow-up question.
A follow-up question is a question after the answer. It keeps the conversation going.
It shows the person, I am interested. I want to know more about you.
People love this. People love to feel interesting.
So listen well. Repeat the keyword. Ask a follow-up question.
Let's practice. I say, I love cooking.
And I say, oh, you love cooking. What is your favorite thing to cook?
Perfect. See, you repeated cooking and asked a question.
Now, everyone at home, let's try. I say, I have a cat.
You say, oh, you have a cat. What is your cat's name?
Say it. Oh, you have a cat. What is your cat's name?
Great job. You are doing so well. Okay, Jack, I have a worry. Many people have this worry.
Tell me, what is it?
What if the person speaks too fast? What if I don't understand?
Oh, this is a very common worry. Very normal.
What do we do?
Easy. You use your magic phrases. Are you ready?
Magic phrases, yes, tell us.
Magic phrase number 1. Sorry. Can you repeat that, please?
Sorry, can you repeat that, please? Repeat after me. Sorry, can you repeat that, please?
This is very polite, very natural. Native speakers say this too.
Magic phrase number 2. Can you speak a little slower, please?
Can you speak a little slower, please? Say it with us. Can you speak a little slower, please?
This is totally okay to say. People will understand.
Magic phrase number 3. I'm sorry, I'm learning English.
I'm sorry, I'm learning English. Everyone say it. I'm learning English.
When you say this, something wonderful happens. Do you know what?
Tell us, Jack.
The person thinks, wow, this person is brave. This person is trying.
Yes, they don't think you are silly. They think you are amazing.
Learning a new language is hard. People respect that. They want to help you.
So never be ashamed. Never hide. Be proud of your English.
Your English is your superpower.
I love that. Your English is your superpower. Say it. My English is my superpower.
Say it loud. My English is my superpower.
Okay, one more great tip. Are you ready?
Always ready.
Give compliments. A compliment is when you say something nice to someone.
For example, I like your bag. That is a compliment.
Or, that is a nice jacket. Compliment.
Or, you have a beautiful smile. Big compliment.
People love compliments. It makes them feel happy.
And when someone feels happy, they want to keep talking to you.
So if the conversation stops, if it is quiet and silent, give a compliment.
It is like magic. Suddenly, the conversation starts again.
Let's practice some compliments. Repeat after me.
I like your shoes.
I like your shoes. Good.
That is a great idea.
That is a great idea.
Your English is really good.
Your English is really good. Perfect.
These are simple, these are natural, and they make people smile.
Okay, Jack, last part. Very important. How do you end a conversation?
Ah, yes. This is something people forget to learn, but it is very important.
You had a great conversation. You liked the person. What do you say?
First, you say something nice about the conversation. For example,
It was really nice talking to you.
it was really nice talking to you. Repeat after me. It was really nice talking to you.
This shows the person, I enjoyed this. I valued this time.
And then, if you want to see them again, you say, can I have your number?
Or, are you on Instagram? Very normal, very common today.
And then you say, I will send you a message.
And later, you send a small message. You say, hi, it was nice to meet you today.
And the new friendship begins just like that.
It all started with one small word. Hello.
Hello leads to a conversation. A conversation leads to a friendship.
A friendship leads to a beautiful life.
Wow, Julia, that was very beautiful.
Thank you, Jack. I try.
Okay, everyone, let's look at everything we learned today. Ready?
Step 1, say hello and smile. Open the door.
Step 2, start with something small. A comment about a dog, the food, the weather.
Step 3, introduce yourself. My name is, nice to meet you.
Step 4, ask easy questions. Find common ground.
Step 5, listen well and ask follow-up questions.
Step 6, if you don't understand, use your magic phrases. Can you repeat that?
Step 7, give compliments. Make people smile.
Step 8, end nicely. It was really nice talking to you.
8 steps, that is all. 8 steps to meet new people in English.
You can do this. I believe in you.
We both believe in you.
Okay, everyone, that is our lesson for today. How do you feel?
We hope you feel confident. We hope you feel ready.
Go out there and say hello. Find a cute dog. Talk about the weather. Make a friend.
And now we have a question for you, a fun question.
In the comments below, write one sentence to introduce yourself in English.
Write, hello, my name is, and I am from.
Practice it right here in the comments. We will read every single one.
Yes, we love reading your comments, so please write.
And if this video helped you today, please click the like button. Just one click.
And subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new lesson.
Share this video with one friend who is also learning English.
One friend, that is all, just one.
Together, we can all learn English. Together, we are stronger.
Thank you so much for watching today. You are wonderful.
Really, truly wonderful. We are so happy you were here.
Okay, Jack, I think it is time to go.
I think so too. I'm going to go find the cute dog at the park.
Practice your English, Jack.
I will. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you next time. Take care.